This video tutorial I will explain how to schedule a task repeatedly using schedule at fixed rate method of timer class. Here I have defined a class cleanup timer task which extends timer task class and provide implementation of run method. Here I have defined a class timer demo. Here I have created cleanup timer task. Then I have created timer object, and here I have defined first time date. Then I am calling schedule at fixed rate method of timer object and passing the task to be executed, and the first time at which the task to be executed and the period. I am running this program, and here you can see the output. The task will be executed first time at this time, then the task will be keep on executing. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.